Hey, aloha. This is Tim with Happy Earth Farms, and Jeff's moving the compost pile here, spreading it out, and we got these birds here. They're actually quite clever. I don't know what the name of them are yet, but you'll see them. Whenever he comes up here, there's a bunch of worms and other little weird looking worms. Kind of like centipede, but not a centipede, maybe a millimeter. But anyway, you see Jeff come back here. Watch what the birds do. He's on his way. Alright, here it comes. They're following him, man. They just go right in front of him. Yep. Lizards and worms. I don't think they'd be scared of me. They're looking at me. Yeah. Quack, 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 quack. What the fuck? Alright. To be continued. Tim, Happy Earth Farms.